Have you ever felt like your past mistakes are holding you back? Like no matter how much you want to move forward, the weight of yesterday keeps pulling you down? At New Life New Journey, we want you to know this: your past does not define you. Your future does. Les Brown once said, "Don't let someone else's opinion of you become your reality." That includes your own negative thoughts. Yes, you've been through struggles. Maybe you've made choices you regret. But guess what? That's not the end of your story. You are not your failures. You are not your past. You are the person you choose to become starting today. Tony Robbins teaches that decisions shape destiny. One choice today, one commitment to change, can alter the course of your life. And you don't have to do it alone. Our team, made up of people who have been where you are, is here to help. We offer coaching, support, and real guidance to help you break free and rebuild. So ask yourself, what kind of future do I want? Then take that first step toward it. You are stronger than your past. You are worthy of a fresh start. At New Life New Journey, we're here to walk with you every step of the way. It's time to turn the page and start your new chapter. Click the link below, reach out, and let's build something incredible together.